A powerful PC that's as compact as it is capable, the NR2 Pro really delivers on its promise of performance and style. Let's dive deeper into what makes this machine tick. One of the standout features of the NR2 Pro is its cutting-edge cooling system, which I mentioned earlier. But let me break it down for you in plain English. The NR200P Max case features a unique combination of airflow channels and heat pipes that work together to keep your components running at optimal temperatures, even during the most intense gaming sessions. For example, the case is designed with a specialized mesh panel that allows for maximum airflow, while also keeping dust out. And with the dedicated heatsink I mentioned earlier, you can be sure that your CPU and GPU will stay nice and cool, even when you're pushing them to their limits. But what about the actual specs? Well, let me tell you, this system is a beast. With a 2TB Gen 4 M.2 SSD, you'll be able to load games and apps in seconds, making it perfect for gamers who want to get back into the action quickly. And with that same SSD, you can also store all your favorite movies, music, and photos without taking up too much space. And then there's the memory, 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz. That's incredibly fast storage for applications, photos, media, and games. You'll be able to multitask like a pro, with no lag or delay between tasks. But it's not just about raw specs, the NR2 Pro is also designed to make your life easier. With 5 USB 3.2 ports, you can plug in all your favorite accessories at once, including charging cables, keyboards, and mice. And with an HDMI port, you'll be able to hook up your console or projector without any issues. And let's not forget about the power supply, a 650W 80+ Gold certified unit that provides clean and stable power to your system. This means you can run multiple monitors, graphics cards, or even other PCs without worrying about power fluctuations or overloading. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this thing really worth it? And my answer is a resounding yes. The NR2 Pro may be compact, but it's packed with performance, making it perfect for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need maximum processing power to get the job done. Take your favorite games, for example. With the NR2 Pro, you'll be able to play any game at 120+ frames per second on high settings, making Fortnite or Cyberpunk 2077 a breeze to enjoy. And with NVIDIA's ray tracing technology, you'll experience breathtaking visuals and realistic gameplay experiences that will transport you to new worlds. But it's not just about gaming. This system is also perfect for content creators and professionals who need top-tier performance for tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, or scientific simulations. With the NR2 Pro, you'll be able to crunch numbers faster than ever before, making complex projects a whole lot more manageable. In short, the Cooler Master NR2 Pro is an incredible machine that delivers on its promise of performance and style. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional, this system is sure to exceed your expectations, so what are you waiting for?